Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to add a contact in Gmail. So let's go to the Gmail first, and now like you want to add this contact, open the mail you want to contact, add the contact. Then you have to copy that mail like this, and you have to go to this uh, Google Apps. Click on this Google Apps and you'll find here contacts. Click on contacts. Now you'll find here on top create account. Click on create account. Now create a contact. Sorry, not account, it is create a contact. Okay, so now you have to give the first name like mi Michael. Now you have to paste the email address. Now you have to click on save. After click on save, your contact will be created. Okay, so guys, this is how you can create a contact in email. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.